How to use tags in monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use tags into your Monday workspace. It is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over monday.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we are going to be on the the dashboard or the workspace itself. So what we're going to do now is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over the columns or the board where we are going to manage our tasks. And then we're going to add a new column called tags. Basically, the tags are going to be a way to categorize tags, or not tags, but basically tasks, works, or managing some specific tasks or job that you're going to implement into your board. So you're going to filter them together. You can go and put these categorizing tags to filter up all of the content that you have here. I'm going to show you a demonstration. So I'm going to add a, as you can see here, a column. So this column is going to be for super useful tags. If you do not find it, type in tags here and add it. As you can see, we're going to add a new tag, and it is going to be maybe here YouTube, for example. We're going to add the YouTube. I can go ahead and categorize or add the tags for whatever task I want. I'm going to add this tag for this one. I can go and add this. I have only 3 tags, or tagged, as you can see, tasks, and 1 is empty. So what are we going to do? I can go ahead and click here, manage tags, and we're going to see the cross boards. So this is going to be a tag for multiple, let's say, boards. I can go ahead and have the cross boards here. I can go ahead and click on manage tags and find all the contents that has the same tag or have the same tag in here, and we can go ahead and see it right away. So I can go ahead and see all. For example, I can go ahead and have the tags like that. I'm going to click on YouTube. It is going to have here all the cross boards. I have only one board for it, but that's going to be the case right here. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.